vitamins and minerals. Ready? 1, 2, go! Group 2, yes. Is it true or false? You shouldn't have some fish, chicken, or eggs for your meals. True or false? False. Okay, is it correct? Yes, very good. So group 2 got 3 stars. Alright, next one. Alright, next one. Number 3. Fruits and vegetables give you vitamins and minerals. Arms on your desk. 1, 2, go. Group 4. True or false? True? True or false? Fruits and vegetables give you vitamins and minerals.